Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to create Google Review QR code in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to generate Google Review QR code for free, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To create a Google Review QR code for free, first of all, copy your Google Review link from your Google Business profile. Once done, click the Google Review QR code generator link I have added in the description box to open the tool. Now, you will see a field called Google Review Link. Paste your copied Google Review link into this field. Next, scroll down to the Customize Design section. Here, you can add custom text below the QR code, such as leave us a Google review. Now, choose your preferred QR code color and background color if needed. If you want, you can also upload a Google G icon or your own business logo to display in the center of the QR code. Once everything is set, click on the Generate Review QR button. A live preview of your Google Review QR code will appear on the screen. Now, choose your preferred download format and select the QR code size you want to download. Lastly, click on the Download QR button to save it to your device. Your Google Review QR code is ready, and customers can scan it to instantly leave a review for your business on Google.